Are you struggling to keep your finances organized and up to date? Managing bookkeeping manually can be very overwhelming and time consuming. Welcome to Keeper.app, the ultimate platform for automating bookkeeping and streamlining financial management. In this step by step tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Keeper.app to track expenses, categorize transactions, generate financial reports, and stay tax ready, all from one dashboard. But before we start, I want to break down what's make Keeper.app stand out. According to their website, Keeper.app is a powerful bookkeeping platform designed to help freelancers, small businesses, and entrepreneurs manage their finance very effortlessly. Here how you can do so. Let me show you. For example, there's a expense tracking, there's a tax preparation, there's a real-time insight, and also there's a seamless integration. But there's something more. Cloud-based and accessible from any device. Affordable pricing plan tailored for individual and small businesses. AI-powered insights for smarter financial decision. Right, so to get started, you have to just come to keeper.com, right? It's really easy. Here you can see keeper.app, not keeper.com, it's keeper.app. Now, once you are here, you have to just go to and click on get started here or click on book a demo, anything here, you can choose any one of them. Now here it will ask you to schedule your demo, right? So for example, how many bookkeeping CAS clients do your practice serves, right? So let's say it's 0 to 9. Now here I have to enter my name, last name, my business, everything here. Now click on schedule a demo. Now you can choose a day and you can schedule a demo on that day, right? So this is how you can do so. Also, let's talk about the pricing. So here you can see it gives you the three plans. The first one is the $8, the second one is the $10, and third one is depending upon, you can contact your sales if it is a really a large enterprise. Obviously, there's some add-ons. For example, keeper receipts, this tax suit, right? Keeper emails and everything here. This is add-ons, so it will charge you some extra. That is a $10 per month, $200 per month, and in this way it's really useful. You can just pause the video and you can just get to know, you can change the currency from here, right? And you obviously you will get a lot more information from here. So this is the exact process. The setup process is very straightforward even for beginners and ensure you're ready to start managing your finances right away. Now that your account is set up, now let's dive into the tracking expenses, right? So Keeper.app automatically syncs transactions from your connected accounts, assign categories like travel, office, supplies, or marketing to each transaction, manually upload receipts or use the mobile app to snap photos of physical receipts. Regularly review transaction to ensure accuracy to make adjustment as needed. These tools ensure your expenses are organized and ready for tax preparation. Now, preparing for tax doesn't have to be stressful. Use Keeper.ai, to identify tax deductible expenses based on your industry. And obviously, it's a time of AI. That's a reason it gives you a lot more features related to AI. You can export tax-ready reports to share with your accountant or import the tax software. Ensure all receipts and records are stored securely for audit or review. This tools ensures you are always prepared for tax season without the hassle. Right now, finally, Keeper.app provide powerful reporting tools to help you analyze your financial health. You can compare monthly income versus expense, cash flow trends over time, profit margins. So use these insights to make informed decisions, identify areas for cost cutting, and optimize your financial strategies. You can also export reports in various formats for presentations or audit. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide video. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe.